So before you buy, the thing to check is how much time you're wasting with your current drill. You're probably spending a few minutes a day searching for a power outlet or waiting for your drill to charge, and that's time you could be using to actually get work done. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set is a product that addresses this issue with its 20 volts and 1.3 Ah battery. The high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out of power ability, which means you can complete a wide range of applications without needing to switch to a different tool. And with two speeds, 0450 and a 1500 RPM, you can use it for both fastening and drilling. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like every other drill on the market, but the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set actually has a compact, lightweight design that fits into tight areas, which is useful for home repairs and DIY projects. The 1 or 2 single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength, and the ergonomic handle delivers comfort and control. But let's be real, the listing doesn't mention anything about drilling into concrete or masonry, so if you need to do that, this might not be the drill for you. The DEWALT brand is known for its high-quality products, and this drill is no exception. It's suitable for wood, plastic, light metal drilling, and screwdriving tasks, but not for heavy-duty industrial use. So, who is this drill for? It's for the kind of person who wants a reliable and efficient tool for their DIY projects, but doesn't need to drill into concrete. If you're looking for a drill that can handle heavy-duty industrial use, you should look for a different product with that capability. But if you're just doing some light construction or home repairs, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set is a good option. And, as a side note, the fact that it comes with 2 XR13AA Li-ion batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag is just a nice bonus. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set is a cordless drill, which means you don't have to worry about being tethered to a power outlet. You can use it anywhere, and the high-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds for a range of fastening and drilling applications. The DEWALT brand has a reputation for producing high-quality products, and this drill is no exception. So, is it worth it? Well, that depends on your specific need. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient drill for your DIY projects, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set is a good option. But, if you're looking for a drill that can handle heavy-duty industrial use, you might want to look elsewhere. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.